Look at this humongous box in my driveway. In it is an entire car body that I bought off of eBay. Here, just walk around. I want to show you how enormous this is.
This thing is huge.
A whole car body in a box in my driveway. Somehow, my wife is fine with it.
You know what it reminds me of, David? The CKD kit.
And that's essentially what it is.
Yeah.
A CKD kit, it's called a knockdown kit.
Completely knocked down.
Basically, a manufacturer sends parts to a country and they put it all together, and it's sort of a way to get around.
Like it's if your country's just starting an automobile industry and they don't quite have everything together. You buy these from the manufacturer and then you have an assembly plant. So that's what this feels like, which is exciting because I've never seen one in person.
So this is from the Philippines. Well, it's an entire car body, and I'm so excited to unbox this. So let's just get straight to it.
We could stack things on here. Is what I was thinking would be fun. Is we could stack things. What?
Let's get to it. I can't wait any longer.
All right, fine. This is solid. Oh, look at that.
Oh, don't peek, Jason.
I want to see it.
We've got all the bolts. Now we have to get these straps off.
Straps.
And unfortunately, Jason has convinced me to use a broken cutting disc for this job.
Because I think it'll be more drama.
Just step away. I don't want this breaking.
All right. Oh, yeah. These straps are under tension. Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Yeah. Don't shower Griffin with sparks. David, you watch your head, too. Oh,
whoa, it's under tension.
Yeah, yeah, look at that thing cut.
Okay.
All right.
Here we go.
All right.
Take the straps off. All right.
Let's grab this one and lift her off.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Unboxing a whole car body. Let's go.
Yeah, and look what we got. Oh, you can kind of see it. Oh, you can see it.
Look at this. Look at this.
Mid-One Enterprises. Is that who made this?
Look at this. This is. If you can't tell yet, hold on. We're not going to tell you what it is yet. I don't know if it's that obvious.
Let's see if we can we see is the front piece like in a separate box, because that'll be a great way to give away.
Oh,
fuel tank. There it is. Okay, this is the one.
Ready?
All right, so let's show that. Let's get the fuel tank out of the way.
Nice and carefully. Oh my God, all this is pretty heavy.
Oh wow. Okay, hold on. How do we reach down to get it?
You can step on the wood there.
Okay,
There's a little step under it.
All right.
Whoa, okay, I got it.
You got it? All right.
All right, here we go. Let me reveal that torch.
All right, hold on. We got some ropes to cut. Or unknot at least.
We gotta unknot it. Yeah. Oh yeah, here.
Yeah.
So it's red because it's the shape. It's the color of primer.
Yeah.
So all this has been primer. You getting your knots over there?
I got this one.
I'm getting my knots over here as well.
Knot.
All that Boy Scouting really came in handy.
But I can't figure out where this. They're tied at that end. I'll get that one. Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
That's right. We're building a World War II Jeep from scratch, and this is not a restoration. I am building a brand new 2025 World War II Jeep from scratch using parts from eBay. So this is an entire World War II Jeep body tub, grill. Let's put this over there.
Okay.
Let me show you what we got. This is the full body tub. This is the grill. There's the windshield.
Yeah, oh, there's the windshield. Does it have glass?
No, we need glass.
Need glass.
Here are the fenders.
Yeah, fenders, fuel tank. That's it. There's not a lot here.
Now, if you go back, you'll see in the 1940s, the way these were shipped overseas.
Oh, yeah.
They were shipped in a box, not unlike this.
Yeah.
They were more assembled and all that. But this is iconic.
I've seen that. All the other parts were inside the body tub with wheels and everything.
This is not that dissimilar to how the World War II Jeeps were shipped overseas. I mean, they were more complete, to be honest.
I'm surprised the glove box door is already installed. Open that up. What do we got in there? Owner's manual?
Nice.
So this is going to be a 2025 model of a 1941 car, basically.
Essentially, yeah.
That's it. Because this is exactly how nothing's changed. This is how it would have been from 1941, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
I wonder if you and I could lift the whole tub. We probably don't want to do that.
It's 700 pounds.
Okay, so I don't want to understate how difficult of a task this is going to be. Yeah. Building an entire car from scratch. I'm going to have to find a parts car somewhere probably. I have to buy every part. We're talking engine, transmission, transfer case, axles, leaf springs, all the shackles, the seats, shifter knobs, all the speedometer, the gauges, the column. It's going to be ridiculous. Air filter, everything's going to be, it's going to be crazy.
And you're going to buy it all new on eBay.
I'm going to buy as much of it as I can on eBay, brand new. This will be the world's only, as far as I know, 2025 World War II Jeep.
Yeah.
And it's going to happen right here on the Autopian. One of the cool things about the World War II Jeep versus the CJ that came later, The World War II Jeep had a glove box, whereas the CJ deleted that.
And it had these side storage boxes?
The World War II Jeep had these storage boxes in the back.
Yeah, these are cool.
Which is, it's just extra space that wouldn't
Would be
otherwise
wasted.
be used.
Yeah, little toilets in there even. You could make.
Man, I cannot pretend like this isn't daunting.
Oh, it's extremely daunting.
Wow.
You got like it's just like a model kit, just in full scale.
Look at here are the fenders.
Yep.
Windshield. We got the hood down here. Look at how this is packaged.
Smart.
Hood fits right here underneath the dash. Windshield here. Fenders get put back there.
Was this part of the design, like the packability of it? Did they think about that when they designed it? Or was it just chance?
Maybe they did. I don't know. A brand new World War II. How is this possible? What a world. What a world.
Seriously, it is amazing that it's still being made.
Never cut toward yourself, folks. Wow, this twine cuts like very easily.
Yeah.
Unless Griffin, our cameraman, sharpens his knife daily.
Maybe he does. He's got the kind of look of a guy who sharpens his knives at night.
You're never really supposed to give an open knife to
and
someone.
then, you know, in Boy Scouts...
Say thank you.
Thank you. Exactly. I remember that.
Always cut toward yourself, they say.
Yeah, right toward your abdomen. That's what you want.
Look at this. The iconic flat fender. So this would be on the left side, and right here, the flat fender is great. It's useful for putting maps on and all sorts of stuff. Ready?
Yep.
Nice and slow.
We got it.
Look at this. Look at this windshield.
I can't tell, is there glass or not? No, I don't think so.
There's no glass.
It's just flat, though. And it's hinged. Oh, look at that handle. Was that a thing? Oh, I didn't realize. So it's hinged, and then the inner windshield itself also
Yeah,
moved?
the inner windshield will move relative to the full windshield, yeah.
Wow.
And then,
Why?
of course, the whole thing folds down. I think it's for
just ventilation?
cooling, probably. Look at that iconic grill.
I know.
I mean, look at that.
What are you gonna get? Are you gonna get the Army style? Are you gonna put indicators here, or those weird blackout lights?
I already have the blackout lights.
Oh, I love the blackout lights.
Look at this hood. Everything looks good quality.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So how many parts total in this body? Not many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that it? Is there just 7 parts to a Jeep body?
Fenders, hood. 1, 2, 3.
Is that it?
Well, grill, fenders, that's 3.
Yeah.
Windshield 4. Hood 5. Body 6. Tailgate 7.
Oh, tailgate.
Actually,
I forgot the tailgate. Does it have a tailgate? I didn't see it.
With a tailgate?
I don't know. I didn't see it.
I'm an idiot. World War II Jeeps never had tailgates.
So with the gas tank,
Nope,
7?
that doesn't count as a body part.
So 6 bodies.
The
6
entire
parts.
World War II Jeep can be
Six
6
parts.
body parts.
That's amazing. How are we going to get this out of this?
I
don't think we can lift this. This is probably 500 pounds. Maybe we could.
So this is the cool thing about World War II Jeeps is the fuel tank, like the CJs, is under the driver's seat. But the interesting thing is on the CJs, the fuel filler is on the outside.
Yeah.
On this, you actually have to lift the
seat.
cushion
Yeah.
to fill the Jeep up. So yeah, these would often smell like gas. This thing looks great. No dents that are obvious to me.
No, nothing I can see.
Welding is, satisfactory. Probably as fine as it was in the 40s.
Yeah.
What an absolutely ridiculous, simple automobile.
Yeah, it is just a literal tub. I also don't think I ever realized the tailgate didn't do anything on these. It was just a solid piece.
Well, it was solid so that you could put the spare and a jerry can on the back. They needed the stiffness. Let's look at how this thing was packaged. If you want to know how a World War II Jeep gets shipped from the Philippines, it's a steel box custom made for this Jeep. A bunch of angle iron with thin pieces of wood all the way around. The actual body and all the parts are wrapped in this plastic wrap with the corners covered in cardboard. So you can see this front corner has a cardboard piece. They chucked a box in this corner to give it a little more cushion. The entire body here has been, oh wow, look, we have a praying mantis down here. Check it out.
You think he came from the Philippines?
Hey, buddy.
You should introduce him to the California ecosystem. I hear they're really cool about that kind of thing.
No, he's not from the Philippines.
Are we sure?
Okay, so all the parts also covered in plastic and basically tied down via this nylon rope here. Pretty straightforward stuff, with the lid put on with some sheet metal screws, self-drilling right into here. It's kind of cool. They had to build a custom sort of carrying box for this Jeep itself.
I bet it's not that different than how they did it in the 40s, really.
Hold on, I know you all want to see more than just the parts that were in there and the top of the tub. So later I went and took the sides off the box and looked at this glorious tub.
Look at this thing. Willys. Wow. Taillight holes. Gonna mount the jerry can and the spare here. Wow. Look at this. It's beautiful.